Lord, I come before you today, to cast all my burdens unto you. Lord, you are aware of everything going on in my life now. Please come into my life, and give me peace. Remind me to think of you, and your goodness, instead of worrying about my problems. Give me rest, and help me to trust in you. Please take away all my fears, and my anxieties, and grant me peace, and serenity. Comfort my heart, and give me the strength to endure this trial. Thank you for gracing me with your presence, and your comfort, through Jesus Christ. Amen.